Hello, what's up guys? In this video, I'll show you how to restore your deleted photos on your Instagram application. Alright, so first of all, open up your Instagram application. Okay, now what you have to do, just simply tap on that little icon, your profile icon on the bottom right side. So here you can see that we are on our profile. Now let's say you deleted any kind of photo accidentally or just intentionally, and then you want to bring back that photo. Okay, now here you can see uh, it's showing that changes to deleting photos from photos or videos on Instagram. It's something new, changes. So now here you can see that we cannot see any kind of photo. So just you have to do, just go to settings and then follow the next step and click on that recently deleted option, and here you can see that we can find that photo we just deleted earlier. All right, so now you can simply restore that photo. Now you can see if you click on next, it will tell you to enter security code, and you will receive a security code in that number which you have just selected as your you know phone number on your Instagram. So now you can simply just restore that photo. Okay, so that's how you can restore a deleted photo on Instagram. So here you can see, if I go back to my profile, and here you can see that's the photo I've just deleted earlier. So that's how you can do it. If you have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned with 5 minute solution.